Wix AI Website Builder Review, and today we will explore the pros and cons of Wix AI Builder. It will be launched in near future, so it should be coming in few months or weeks. The date is not decided as of now, but it is going to be a game changer when it comes to website building. And the best thing about it is that it can be used with existing site. So you would just have to open your existing site and make changes to it without the need of any other person. All you have to do is just give commands and it should be working quite fine. And this is such a game changer when it comes to making websites. All you have to do is just give the command and it will be working like a butter when you just make changes with just single command. And it basically is like you're guiding a person how you want your website to look like, and after that you would be able to generate exactly the same website. And you can also make changes even after this particular website builds up by an AI. You would be able to make changes to it and play around with different changes, and you don't have to do anything other than just giving the prompts. How easy it is going to be, only the time will tell when the Wix actually releases the AI. But there are some features that might not be there, and as of now the research that we have done right now, there are some things that are not included in this AI. Like you could give an example of a different website to this AI, and this AI would come up with a new website which is an inspiration from the example that you have given. So this feature might be missing in this AI. And also for the service-based businesses, there could be one more feature, like this AI could generate a section where random codes could be generated as per the needs and requirements of the customers that visit that particular website. And also it would be great if you could just select a particular part of a website and then able to make changes to it according to your preferences, rather than making changes to whole website again and again. So these are the things that can be done on Wix AI, or maybe they are already there but no one knows, and we have to wait until it arrives in the market. Only then we will be able to explore all the features that it will be able to provide. And these were some important points that I would just wanted to highlight in this video or this review video of Wix AI Builder. I hope you like this video, and also leave your important comments and your thoughts about Wix AI Builder. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.